In today's episode of Kumkum Bhagya, Purab asks Pragya Dadi that why is Pragya doing all this? Who is pressurizing her to do all this? Abhi said that he will not sign the paper without meeting Pragya, but Pragya Dadi said that he cannot meet her. Abhi said that he will meet Pragya. Nobody will able to stop him for meeting her. He goes to Pragya house. Abhi is on his day and he called at the time with Pragya. Tanu called Nikhil and tell him that Abhi has not signed the paper. She said that he has gone to Pragya house to meet her. Nikhil get angry and said that you should have stopped him. But Tanu said that she tried her best to stop him. Alia asked Tanu that she will have to convince Abhi to sign the divorce paper. Abhi Dadi come here and scold her. Abhi Dadi asked Tanu that is she behind Pragya kidnapping, but Tanu said that she has nothing to do with this. Dadi said that if she get to know that she is behind all this, then it will not be good for her. Abhi reaches Pragya house and searches for her. Pragya Dadi gets tense thinking that he will get to know that Pragya is not here and then he will not sign the paper and Pragya's life will be in danger. Nikhil forces Pragya to sign the divorce paper. Nikhil forces Pragya to sign the divorce paper and she cries. She signed the papers. Pragya thinks that Abhi will not sign the paper if he really loves her and recall moments spent with Abhi. Pragya thinks that he will get her to see my signature and she said that she had to tell Abhi that she was forced to sign the paper. Abhi asked Dadi to call Pragya, but mates say that Pragya has gone without. But Abhi said that you are lying. Abhi said that Pragya is not her letter. She will go for shopping after sending me a divorce paper. He asked Dadi to call her and I will wait for her only. Abhi cries and says to Dadi that how can she do this with him? How can she forget my love? Pragya somehow managed to get the mobile and try to call Abhi, but he does not pick the call, seeing a known number. Picap Alia said that Abhi is very angry right now because of Pragya, so she asked Tanu to emotionally blackmail Abhi so that he signed the divorce paper.